welcome back to this video. This video will be learning another quick amazing gele. So just keep your eyes and keep watching, and you will get how I achieve this. You can try it, do it yourself. You are going to get it. And if you don't like this particular one, you can check my channel, and I'm very sure you'll find the one you like there. Just go through my channel, you find another video you like in case you don't like this. So you can also try this one out. So I have divided the gele. You can see how I divided it. Just one is very short, very short, and the other one is very long as seen. So after that I pleated it, then I place it over like this. So please, this explanation might not be thorough. All you need to do is to watch so that you can get how I achieved it. So after I have crossed it, I've pleated and I've put it on that first one I pleated. Then other side I folded it and I held it with my rubber elastic band. So I did it the first time and I'm going the second time now. So you see how I achieved that side. Then the remaining one, the excess, I pleated it and I take it to the back for securing. So how am I securing that place? I'll be securing it with my pin. You know, we need pin for this particular gele. So I'll be needing my pin to secure it at the back like that. Just see how I'm doing it. So you secure it with your pin. Make sure you use as many pin as you can so that the gele will be able to firm and stand on your head. So I think I've used like two or so. I used two, I guess, two pin to secure it at the back. So after I'm done with that, then I'll be working with the front. Yeah, if you are watching this length of the video and you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you still waiting for? Click the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel if you are watching me on YouTube, and if you are watching on Facebook, click the follow button and follow this page for more gele tutorials like this and other ones. So guys, I'm working with the front already. I'll be spreading that particular place out to give me this particular shape. So see, is this not amazing? So look at what I have achieved with that, and it is very fast, very fast. Now the material I'm using is a bit hard. If you have a soft material, it will even be more easier to achieve this particular gele style. And if you have the hard one too, you can see this one I'm using is very hard, so you can also achieve it with it. So look at it, that is what I have just achieved with this gele. If you are a returning subscriber, I actually welcome you back to my video. Thanks for always stopping by and watching my videos all the time. I appreciate, and I will never take that for granted. If you haven't subscribed, click the button now, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Guys, I love you. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and always stop by to watch my video. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.